In today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly strategy that you can use to start earning money online with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income daily with CPA marketing. So moving on to today's video, as you can see, these are some of my statistics that I'm sharing with you right here so that you can see that it's 100% possible to earn money online with CPA marketing. As you can see, these are some of my results promoting to US traffic, and you can see how much has been generated right here. So basically, like I said, this is just one country alone, and I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. First thing you want to do is to come over to AliExpress, and I'm going to show you how you can use AliExpress with Cpagrip and start making money with this strategy. So once you come over to AliExpress, the first thing you want to do is to pick a niche, and you can see this section that says categories, and this is where you can find various niches that you can use for this strategy. If you over to any of these niches, as you can see right here, you will even be shown more sub niches that you can target as well with this strategy. So for the purpose of simplicity, I'm going to take this men fashion as an example. So if I over to this men fashion, you can see right here, these are many sub niches under men fashion that I can target as well. All right, so you can see we have t-shirts right here. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the search bar, and I want to type in a keyword like dog t-shirt for men. So once you type in this type of keyword on AliExpress, you want to click on search. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of dog t-shirts that are available on AliExpress that are being sold for cheap. All right, so you can see this awesome dog t-shirt just selling for $2.33. Okay, you can see this is also another one right here, $2.94. So basically, these t-shirts on AliExpress are very cheap compared to the likes of Etsy.com, or if you go over to teespring.com, these t-shirts right here, they go for almost $20 or more. As you can see, this is a t-shirt right here for cats selling for $20. And if I go over to Etsy and if I type in something similar, dog t-shirt for men, as you can see right here, this t-shirt is selling for over $20 right here, as you can see. So now once you've picked a niche, the next step is to go over to Google and you want to type in Google spreadsheet. So once you type in Google spreadsheet, you want to click on the first link and it's going to bring you to this page. Then you want to click on this blank. So once you click on that, the first thing you want to do is to come over to this section and you want to type in products. Okay, so now the next step here, you want to type in price, and for this third section you want to type in description, and here you want to type in content locker URL, and for this section you want to type in image, and here you want to type in image 2. I know this is confusing right now, but stick with me. I'm going to break everything down in this video. So now the next step is to basically look for about 3 to 5 products on AliExpress. So now I'm going to be taking this one as an example. So I'm just basically going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to open this one as well in the new tab. Okay, so I want to select at least 3 products as an example, but basically I use about 5 products for this strategy. Okay, so now this is the first product right here. So what you want to do is to download this image. So now you want to right click on this image and you want to copy the image address. Then you want to come over to this website easygif.com. So once you come over to this website, you want to basically scroll to the bottom and you want to click on this convert WebP images to JPG. So you want to paste in the link in this box. So once you paste in the link, you want to click on upload. So once you do that, as you can see, this is the image right here. So all you just need from here is to basically click on convert to JPG. As you can see, it has converted this image to JPG. So all you just need to do from here is to now save this image to your device. So once you save this image to your device, then you want to head over to this website called postimages.org. So this is where you are going to be uploading the image you just converted on easygif.com. All right, so you want to click on this, choose images, and then you want to upload the image. So as you can see, this is the image right here. So once you do that, you want to copy the description of this product. Then you want to go back to this spreadsheet, and this is where you want to paste in the description. Okay, so now you want to give this product a name, and you want to go back to AliExpress and you want to check the price. As you can see, it costs $2.94. So all you just need to do is to paste in the price of this product right here. Okay, so now once you do this, the next step is to create a content locker, as you can see right here. So all you need to do is to go back to your Cpagrip account. So once you come over to your account, you want to basically scroll down to this section that says monetization tools, and you want to click on URL file lockers. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you want to do is to click on create a new URL locker, agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. So now once you do this, you want to give your content locker a name. So I'm going to say men t-shirt number 1. So once you do that, you want to come over to this section that says complete a survey below to continue, and you want to change it to something like please support our hosting sponsors by completing one offer below. And keep in mind, you can change this to as many offers as you want. So once you do this, here you want to now change this begin download to click here. So once people click here, as you can see, they are going to be shown CPA offers that they need to complete. And don't worry, like I said, I'm going to be explaining why you need to do all of this. Okay. And now for this section that says direct download, so you want to basically come to the HTML section, and you want to basically click on this direct download, and you want to remove that. Okay, so once you do that, all you need to do is to click on review, and as you can see, it has been removed. Now the final thing you want to do is to edit these comments right here. So basically you want to make sure for the logged URL, you want to go over to AliExpress, and you want to copy the link to that product. So once you copy the link, you want to paste in the link in this box right here. Okay, so basically once you've done this and you've edited all this comment to make it look legit, all you just need to do from here is to click on save. So once you click on save, then you want to click on get link, and you want to copy your link. Then you want to go back to your spreadsheet, and this is where you are going to be pasting your content locker link. So for the image, now you want to go back to post image. So now once you come over to postimage.org and you've uploaded your image, all you just need to do is to copy the link to your image, and you want to basically come over to your spreadsheet, and this is where you are going to be pasting the link. So now you want to repeat this for about 3 to 5 products on aliexpress.com. So once you've added all the details right here, all you need to do is to click on share, and then you want to click on save. So a page is going to come up like this. So here you want to click on restricted, and you want to click on anyone with the link. Then you want to click on copy, and you want to click on done. So once you do that, you want to come over to spreadsimple.com website, and basically this is the website that we are going to be using to create our landing page and make money. So all you need to do, you are going to see a sign up button somewhere around the page. All you need to do is to click on the sign up button, and you'll be able to create an account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. You are going to see this plus button right here, and you want to click on this plus button. So once you do that, you want to click on this section that says Google spreadsheet link. So once you do that, then you want to paste in your Google spreadsheet link right here, and you want to click on continue. And once you do that, as you can see, this website has automatically created a landing page for you. Okay, so basically you can see this is the product name right here, the description of the product, and the price of the product. Okay, so now the next step you want to do is to basically scroll down to this section that says secondary button, and you want to click on enable. Okay, so once you click on enable, you want to click on primary style. Okay, so once you click on that, you want to basically scroll down to this section as well, and this is where you want to select your content locker URL. So once you do that, as you can see right here, once people come over to this page, they will be able to see this button, and once they click on this button, it's going to take them to our content locker. All you just need to do from here is to go over to this section that says design, and you want to scroll down to where it says home page intro. Okay, so here you want to basically disable this. All right, so once you disable this, it's going to remove that section because we don't need it. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do to create your landing page. So now you want to come over to this section right here. As you can see, Spread Simple gave a random name. So all you just need to do is to click on this, and you can give your landing page a better name. Okay, so we can say something like dog teas. Okay, so once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on save. As you can see, that is available. So if I copy this link and I open it in a new tab, as you can see, this is our landing page right here. Just like I showed you earlier, this t-shirt costs over $20 on other platforms. So one of the best traffic sources that you can use is Facebook, and this is because there are a lot of people on Facebook who are already interested in dogs. They'll be glad to get this t-shirt for $2. So basically, as you can see, there are thousands of members in this Facebook group, and all you just need to do is to join this Facebook group and share this landing page with people who are already interested in dogs. So basically, as you can see, the t-shirts are getting hundreds of dollars on AliExpress already, which tells you people who are interested in dogs like this t-shirt, and all they just need to do is to pay $2 to get this t-shirt, and you make money because they have to complete a content locker before they can get this t-shirt. You can use other platforms like Pinterest as well, but basically Facebook is the main traffic source that is best for this strategy. So basically, this brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.